You know, you get them days where you just have to sneeze really bad, but you can't, and it's like there's a very weird dwarf in your nose that's like stabbing inside of your nostril, and you're like, I want to sneeze so bad, and it's like, ow, and he just keeps stabbing at you. It's like stab, stab, stab. But anyway, I'm such a pathetic person at talking. Anyway, so like some people just make the most awkward faces when that happens. It's like when I need to sneeze and I can't do it, I'm just like, yeah, yeah. So like one of my eyebrows is raised and it's all, and you know, yeah, so stuff like that. But some people make the most awkward faces. Some of them are just like they're dying. It's like, oh no, sneezing, ow. But then some people just make faces that are just awkward to see in public. It's just like